Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting camera permission. That's essential so the system can detect codes. Open the default camera app, not a third-party scanner, because modern Android integrates QR scanning. Hold the phone steady and bring the QR into the center of the viewfinder. Keep it about 1 to 2 feet away so autofocus works. Once the code is visible, the phone analyzes the pattern automatically, which is why framing and focus matter for a reliable read. Once the camera recognizes the QR, an on-screen banner or small icon appears. This is Android translating the code into an action. Tap that banner promptly to see the link, contact, or Wi-Fi details. Do not assume it opens automatically because some phones require a tap for security reasons. If you don't see a banner, open Google Lens inside the camera app and frame the code. Lens reads more types. Make sure to verify the destination before tapping to avoid phishing. To finish, tap the banner and follow the displayed action. Open a URL, add a contact, or join Wi-Fi. You should always confirm the URL or data shown before proceeding, because that prevents malicious redirects. If nothing happens, check camera permissions and ensure Google Play services are up to date. These support QR detection. As a quick fix, restart the camera app or clear its cache. That often restores scanning. If it still fails, use Google Lens from the app drawer as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.